For a long time now, people have assumed that the best quality parts come from the OEM, and the OEM isn't going to do anything to make them think differently. They benefit from the misinformation surrounding the aftermarket. You've heard the stories, I'm sure, of junk metal being crammed into a box and shipped out to customers in desperate need of repair, only to have the part break shortly after install. We've heard them too. But as a supplier of quality aftermarket parts, we know that's not the case anymore. So, what's the difference? That's what we want to show you. In the end, whether you're running a repair shop or a fleet, we can save you time and, most importantly, money. A warranty is one of those things that you never want to need, but are always glad to have. Most OEMs give you a warranty on their parts, usually 6 months to a year. And that's fine. But wouldn't you rather have better? Our suppliers stand behind the quality of their products so much that in most cases the warranty on our parts is double that of the OEM. Not only does that give you peace of mind of what you're installing into your engine can handle anything you throw at it, but it also smashes those images of aftermarket suppliers who sell terrible parts with no warranty just to save a few bucks. Even more than that, our warranties transfer to shops across the country, so you don't have to worry about being stuck on the side of the road or out in a field somewhere, unable to get a replacement part that should be covered under your warranty. We've got your back. The OEM stands on its reputation for quality, but anymore, that's really the only edge they have over quality aftermarket suppliers, their name. We will admit that some aftermarket suppliers out there do not sell quality parts. You have to be careful who you order from. We've ordered those parts ourselves just to test the quality, and we decided right away that we would never sell such an inferior product to our customers. Now, more often than not, the OEMs don't even make their own parts. They contract it out to other manufacturers who stamp the big name on the box and ship it out under the OE label. So there's really no such thing as a genuine OEM part anymore. Even more than that is the fact that a lot of our parts are made by the same manufacturers the OEMs contract. They're made exactly the same, meeting and sometimes exceeding OEM specifications. With a quality aftermarket supplier like Highway and Heavy Parts, you get another added bonus. Even though the aftermarket has to wait a few years to sell parts for newer engines, because of patents, when they do release them, they've often been able to make improvements on the design for additional functionality. You'll be getting a better working part for less money than you'd spend at the OEM. Sometimes it can be hard to find parts for the older engine models. That's because oftentimes the OEM stops manufacturing as many when the next big thing comes around the corner. But that doesn't help you out when you need a repair, does it? We make sure that you can still get the parts you need for your engine and at the quality that meets or exceeds what the OEM would give you. When you're buying new parts, it's reasonable to assume that the components are new. At least it should be. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Take their cylinder kits, for example. It's not uncommon for them to sell them pre-assembled to save time. And maybe that's the case. But what you may not be able to see is that they're putting used parts in those kits. You just can't tell when they've already been put together. Plus, a lot of mechanics prefer to assemble things themselves. That way they can make sure everything is done correctly. Why trust the manufacturer with a job you can do yourself and do it right? Any engine component you purchase from Highway and Heavy Parts, when we say new, we mean new. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So, if you're looking for affordable, OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about our parts, you can call any one of our ASC certified technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our additional social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.